Besides joining a live class, you can also watch any replay of past classes that you weren't able to join live. And you can browse through the standalone classes. So let's find out how to do just that. The first way is to click on the button in your weekly email that says Watch the Replay. There's a second way, and that is to go to your library, university.the7minutelife.com/library that you're already familiar with. This is the same library where you are able to find all the e-courses. And in that, you'll find a thumbnail that says Webinar Replays, where you can browse through all of the standalone classes that are accessible. The third way to access the webinar replays is through your home page, the one that you bookmarked. So when you click on this thumbnail and scroll to the bottom of the home page, you'll find 4 yellow buttons at the bottom. One of those yellow buttons says Browse the Webinar Replays. And that will go to this page where you can browse through the standalone classes and past webinars that I did by category here on the left, or you can look for them alphabetically in the gray bar on the right side of the page. If you have a specific topic that you know the name of, you can browse them alphabetically, and if you're simply looking for a specific classes on a topic that you're interested in, like time management or business or goal setting, then you can use the category function on the left. And once you pick a class that's interesting to you, you'll be able to watch it and download any tools that might be discussed in that class. You'll either see Allyson or Allyson with a guest expert. The last thing that we want to point out is that if you go to the tab of your home page that says Webinar Replays, there will be a drop down there that says, here are the 5 most popular webinars. We highly recommend this as a great starting point. Let's say that after going through this Getting Started course, or maybe after you've finished your weekly class or your weekly challenge or the boot camp, or after a few weeks have gone by and you have an extra 30 to 45 minutes when you just want to dive into a standalone class without starting a new course, then this is a really great place to start. These are our 5 most popular webinars that are great to just watch one at a time. You don't necessarily need the full understanding of all of the 7-Minute Life concepts just yet in order to gain a lot of benefit from these classes. This is a great way to get started if you don't quite yet know which topics you want to explore further.